Assalamu alaikum, 7th class. I welcome you in the class and I hope you are listening me in the good state of health and you are doing well at your homes. So, in today's class, we have to talk about the cutting edge technology, the topic which we have started yesterday, right? So now today we will continue this topic. And before that, I will recall it for you people. So you can just repeat it, revise it. So cutting edge technologies are the those technology which are most advanced in the computer and information technology field. And they totally revolutionized or changed the whole system. So in yesterday's class, we talked about the barcode reader, which revolutionized the whole marketing system and the sale purchase of the system. And the system now it is very running very smoothly in supermarkets and shopping malls, right? So now today we will go for the fingerprint reader and then we will go for the robots. So first of all, we will talk about the fingerprint reader, which is the most, you can say, the advanced technology in today's time, or you can say nowadays. So what is the fingerprint reader? Basically, it is an electronic device which scan the thumb's impression. Means here, it is a device where you have to place this thumb and it will scan the impression on this thumb. Okay, I will continue the fingerprint reader. So first of all, we will talk about the fingerprint. What is the fingerprint? Fingerprint, it is an impression which it is left by your finger. This one, thumbs. When you put this thing, thumb, on the fingerprint reader, it will scan on the display and store it in the computer system, right? So in this way, we can say fingerprint is an impression left by the finger. And the device which is used to store your, scan your impression, it is called the fingerprint reader. Okay, as we read yesterday that the barcode is a serial number and the device which scans it, it is called the barcode reader. So similarly, fingerprint is an impression which is left by your thumb and the device which captures it is called the fingerprint reader. So after capturing it, it will translate it into the digital code, means that language which is called the language of computer. That language which is understood by the computer. Okay. So it will change it into the digital code. Then it will compare to the stored information. Means anyone using mobile phones now, you know about the fingerprint sensor which is available on your mobile phone, 7th class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So how it works? First of all, you have to store your fingerprint impressions on the mobile phone. Then whenever you want to unlock it, you have to put the thumb impression on that scanner. It will compare it with the stored information. Stored information means the impression which is stored by the user earlier in the phone. Then it will compare it with the stored captures information, and if it is matches, then it will allow you to log into the computer or to mobile phone. And if it is not matched, it will not allow you to use the computer or any mobile phone. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will talk about its usage. So it is basically used in the criminal investigation. Criminal investigation means everybody watch any episode of CID. CID के episodes देखे आपने?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. In those episodes, you can view the usage of fingerprint sensor in many episodes, right? They are using the fingerprint scanner or fingerprint reader to investigate any criminal. Because when you are involving in a criminal activity, you will do it with your hands, then your hands will left the impression on those things, and the person who is investigating the case, they can capture you by scanning your fingerprint impressions, right? So in this way we can say that fingerprint reader is used for the criminal investigation. And in the previous example, we have talked about the mobile phone security system. So it will be the security system that no unauthentic person can use your mobile phone. And then we will talk about the user authentications. Means if you want to log in any account on any website, you have to use your thumb impression. So nobody else can view or can log in into your account. So in this way, we can say that fingerprint are using nowadays verily. Now I'm going to show you a video about how fingerprint scanner works. It is the animated video and you people will be enjoyed it. So here you can see it. Here is a person who want to use this computer or any mobile phone, right? So what it will be do? It will use the fingerprint scanner, means this one, thumb impression, right? And when it is using so it is the original thumb impression which is stored in the computer, then it will matches them. And if it is correct, then she can use the computer. So it is matches now. Now she is going to use this computer, right? In this way, a scanner works. Here you can see the impression as well. Okay. Okay, everybody knows about the robots now. Everybody have seen them or not? Have you seen any robots in the movies or in any park? How a robot look alike and how it works? Okay. So I will do it. In this video, you can see that how a robot works. Okay, here you can see, here is a robot. Okay, this is the robotic machine which is working and the man is handling it, means controlling it. So this is the first plane which invented, and this works in the rolling positions and then upside down. It can work in the rolling position and upside down as well. Okay. And this is another robot which is putting something on the boxes, right? In this way, a robot can work. And there is another robot now. Okay, they are showing you the movement. Back and forth movement means rotatory motion. It will take the product from there and then it will go for the other side. So in this way, we can say that how a robot work? In this position, right? And remember one thing, that robot is always controlled by a person which is standing behind it. Okay? It cannot do any task with their intention or with their according to their will. They are always controlled by a person which is controlling them with the remote control or something like that. Here you can see it. So in this way, a robot works. This is a little example of it. So many robots are working nowadays in the industries and schools, colleges, uh, or you can say in the medicine company. Okay, now we'll go for the book. So we can mark all the questions. Okay, we will start from here. Fingerprint. Okay, first of all, you have to write the question, what is fingerprint? And the answer will be, a fingerprint is an impression left by a finger or thumb. Okay, you can write the question that what is a fingerprint? Okay, now here you can write the question, what is a fingerprint reader? What is a fingerprint reader? Okay, now I'm going to underline all the questions. Fingerprint reader is a device that captures a fingerprint and translates it into our digital code. Okay. Write some uses of the fingerprint reader. Okay, here is the answer. Fingerprint reader is mostly used for criminal investigations and security system. And some computers are used it for login and users authentication. And here you can see that this is the fingerprint sensor which is placed on the keyboard and it will use to log in a computer. Then in here picture, in a car, they are using a fingerprint system to secure their vehicle. In this way, we can say that how a fingerprint reader works. Show me the thumbs up if you have done it. Okay, good. Now I'm going to the next page. Robots. So first of all, you have to write the question. What is a robot? Robot is a machine which is controlled by a software contained in a chip. Okay. And it is an electronic machine which has the ability to interact with physical objects. Robots can perform tasks accurately and efficiently. So here are some examples. You can see that this robot is washing the dishes. This robot is also a domestic robot which is designed for the domestic chores. And this robot is playing the music. And this is a military robot which used in war or fight with other persons. And in this way, this is the robot which is used in medical field. Now you have to write the question here. Write the uses of robot. Okay, now I'm going to underline it. Robots are used in different fields such as car manufacturing, medicine, military, transportation, etc. Many factories' jobs are now performed by robots. NASA is using robot for space exploration. Okay, here are two questions in the robot. You can underline them. Show me the thumbs up if you have do it. Good. Aruz Fatma, very good. Others. Sher Bano, have you done it? Okay, now you have to tell me what are cutting edge technologies and how many technologies we have read today and yesterday.
मैम मैं बताऊं?
No, Aruj have to tell. Come on,
मैम
Aruj. Okay, Sharbana, you can tell.
The latest or the more advanced stage in the development of the computer technology is known as cutting edge technology. One is known as barcode reader, and the second one is known as fingerprint reader, and the third one is known as the
Tell me the definition of barcode reader. What is a barcode reader?
Barcode is a set of light and dark bars lines with different widths pasted on different products. Barcode reader is an important device. It gathers information by reading a barcode.
Today's lesson has been end now, and now I have to say goodbye to you people. Take care of yourself, and you have to learn this lesson very well. I will take a short test tomorrow, inshallah. Allah Hafiz, everyone.
Allah Hafiz.